California poised to open the door for everyone to get vaccinated. Just 3 weeks from today, all state residents over the age of 16 will be eligible to walk in and get a COVID vaccine. In a week, eligibility opens to those 50 and up. But as KPIX5's Katie Nielsen explains, the big concern right now is still supply. And Katie, that's especially true in Santa Clara County right now.
Yeah, Ken, it is. So Santa Clara County health leaders have been forced to cancel some vaccines at sites like this one at Levi Stadium simply because they still don't have enough supply. So the big question now, with so many more people becoming eligible for a vaccine, will the supply be able to keep up with the growing demand?
Levi's has a capacity of 15,000 doses a day, and we've only had a trickle of that available.
During a press conference today, Santa Clara County leaders say they're ready to get shots in arms of all of those who are becoming eligible in the coming days and weeks. All they need is supply.
We have the capacity to vaccinate over 200,000 people a week in our county, and we're doing probably a third of that.
Today, Governor Newsom announced that starting April 1st, anyone over the age of 50 can get a COVID vaccine, and on April 15th, anyone over the age of 16 becomes eligible.
In just a few weeks, there'll be no rules, no limitations as it relates to the ability to get a vaccine administered.
In Santa Clara County, there are 400,000 people between the ages of 50 and 64 who will become eligible for a shot starting April 1st, and another 1.2 million who are over the age of 16 and are eligible for a vaccine starting April 15th. The governor said today the state is opening eligibility on those dates because that's when supplies should be ready to keep up with that newly created demand.
Our ability to do more has always been constrained by supply, manufactured supply. We have confidence now the manufactured supply becoming available sooner than we had anticipated.
So another interesting comment the governor made today, family members of those who are eligible to receive a COVID vaccine can now also get vaccinated. So here's how that would work. Let's say you're taking an eligible family member to their appointment for a vaccine, but you yourself are not eligible yet. Well, at the healthcare provider's discretion, they can actually vaccinate those family members who aren't currently eligible because they're caregivers of those who are. So that was one thing that's interesting in the governor's announcement today. Then Santa Clara leaders had their press conference this afternoon and are saying if we can get the supply, the biggest issue will just be trying to get that many people their appointments. So everyone needs to have a little patience.
Yeah. So
Ken?
far, it's been a big if. We'll see if it can really come to some fruition here. Katie, thank you for that.